Hi friends, welcome to PG Tutorials. This video is about how to apply material in AutoCAD 3D objects. For doing this, first I am creating layers. So one is brick wall layer, the second one is for door. So I am just picking some random colors. Just for the visibility purpose, I am picking some random colors for our objects. So now I am going to apply layers to the objects. So first one is brick wall, second one is door. I'm just changing to shadow, so now it looks like this, yellow and red. Then we need to add material to our drawing file. For this you need to go to visualize tab. From there you can choose the material which needs to be added. You can see a n number of materials over there. So I am first searching for brick. I am choosing common brick, so you just add and you can edit the details as well. So as of now I am not editing anything, just simply applying whatever the default value. Next I am searching for door, so I am searching wood. Let me choose some value. So I am choosing English. Okay, that's added to our drawing file. So now we have added two materials to our drawing file. One is for brick, one is for the door. Now we need to add those material to the layers. For that I am choosing add by layer. Here you can see the materials added in left side and layers in right side. Simply pick and drag it over the layer like this. Okay, now it was applied, so like this it will change inside. So let me change it to realistic. So once it is changed to realistic, you can see the difference. The material is applied over the objects, but the scale of our brickwork is not fine, right? So we need to edit that. For this you can use the edit option in material. I'm just picking the common brick and I'm using the editing option for pictures. You can see the difference. I'm just entering the values. I'm increasing the scale actually, so that it looks fine in model, right? So now it looks fine. So this is how you need to work on materials in AutoCAD 3D. We can simply apply materials through the layers which we created for individual objects like this. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more learnings. Thank you guys.